Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Skill Veda's online session. Skill Veda is your partner in transforming education through innovation, inclusion, and global competencies. We empower your growth with expert-led learning that is flexible and tailored to you. Welcome to our session on storytelling as pedagogy. Stories are not just for fun, they are a powerful way to teach. Our brains remember stories better than facts. In this session, we will learn how to use simple stories to teach any subject like maths, science, or values. You just don't need special tools. Just your voice, expressions, and a story can make any lesson easy and interesting for children. NEP 2020 also says we should teach through experiences, and stories are the best way to do. So let's discover how to turn your classroom into a place of imaginations and learning. Let's begin. Let's extend a warm welcome to Ms. Varsha Datta, our expert trainer, CBSE resource person, an educationist and consultant with more than 18 years of experience in education. She is all set to guide you through this learning journey. Welcome, Ms. Varsha.
Thank you. Hello, everybody. It's great to see you all today, and I hope you're all here with a lot of expectations. And I hope by the end you're going to go satisfied. So I'm Varsha Ratta, as ma'am has already introduced me to you all. I'll not take a lot of time, but yes, what we are going to do today is that we are going to learn storytelling as a tool. So storytelling as a pedagogy, because it engages hearts and it sparks curiosity, enhances understanding, and builds connection. And yes, it inspires action. So storytelling is a very important tool if you actually see, because what we talk to the children and the way we present it to them remains there forever. So this is with this thought, let us start. And I welcome you all to the workshop. But before I start, I'll tell you a story. Once a teacher went to a classroom with a gift box, right? It sparked excitement in the classroom because the children started to ask whose birthday it was. And the teacher very easily said nobody's and kept the gift on the table and started teaching, right? But throughout her teaching, most of the students that day paid no attention because all of them were curious about the box, right? So the bell rang and the teacher was about to leave the class. And then the students asked, what is there in the box, ma'am? Whose birthday is it? So the teacher opened the box and there was nothing. So with this, I would like to ask you all, and I would like you all to, I'm just stopping to share, but I'd like you all to talk and say, what do you feel had happened in the class that day? क्या हुआ होगा जब टीचर ने बॉक्स खोला और उस दिन कैसी पढ़ाई हुई है? What kind of teaching took place in the classroom? I'd like you all to speak. Anybody? If you want me to talk to you in Hindi, I'll be comfortable. It's okay. But I would like you all to please respond.
Yeah, Ruchi ji, you want to say something?
Let me tell you the story again. Probably maybe some people have not listened to it. एक टीचर क्लास में जाती है और एक बॉक्स लेके जाती है जो गिफ्ट रैप्ड होता है. उस दिन बच्चे बहुत एक्साइटेड होते हैं, उनसे पूछते हैं कि बॉक्स के अंदर क्या है. टीचर कहती है और बच्चे से ये भी पूछते हैं कि ये आज किसका बर्थडे है. तो टीचर कहती है आज किसी का बर्थडे नहीं है, एंड शी कीप्स द बॉक्स और वो पढ़ाना शुरू कर देती हैं, ठीक है। एंड देन व्हाट हैपेंस कि उस दिन बच्चे ज्यादा एक्साइटेड होते हैं बॉक्स के लिए और पढ़ते नहीं है। बेल लग जाती है, टीचर से वो पूछते हैं कि इसके अंदर क्या है, किसका बर्थडे है आप बताओ। टीचर उसको खोलती है और बॉक्स के अंदर कुछ नहीं होता है। बट आप मुझे बताइए उस दिन क्लास में क्या हुआ। लेट्स टॉक अबाउट इट, वी आर ऑल टीचर्स, राइट?
Yeah, Ruchi ji, you want to say something? You have raised your hands.
Yes, good evening to everybody, first of all.
Yeah, good. Yeah, good evening.
Ma'am, this was something that we made interested, like we made that class interested to providing that particular stuff which developed interest in them. बच्चों को excitement हो गया कि इसमें ऐसा क्या है, उन्होंने उस interest के मारे पढ़ाई पे ज्यादा ध्यान दिया. And they felt excited whole time when they were studying also. उनका पढ़ाई पे कम था, लेकिन but उस पर्टिकुलर बॉक्स की वजह से उनको इतना इंटरेस्ट बना रहा है कि उसने टीचर की बात को भी बहुत ध्यान से सुना होगा. And the class
बिल्कुल,
must have been very interested.
must have been interesting. Ruchi, thank you. Where are you from, Ruchi?
Ma'am, actually, basically, I am the headmistress of DPSD Public School.
Wow, great.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you see the point here, what ma'am has made. I would also like to know others' perspective. What do you all think? There are a lot of people in. Come on, talk. We are teachers. हमारा तो बोलने का काम है. Come on, बात करिए.
Every child was curious to know what was in that gift wrap.
Yes, all the children were curious to know what was there in the gift wrap box. Anything else? Anybody else has something else to say? No? Chalo, let's break it here. See, what happened that day was, the children became curious and the critical thinking took place. Every child, अब अभी मैं आपसे अगर पूछूं कि आपके लिए उस बॉक्स में क्या था, what was there in your mind when I said that there was a box? What all came into your mind? क्या लगा आपको बॉक्स में क्या होना चाहिए? Yes, Ruchi ma'am, please कहिए. There's no need to raise your hand because not many of the people are, answering. You just speak. Yeah.
Ma'am, actually, those are the children. So they must have saw something of their things only, like toffee, chocolates, or some gifts which should be distributed by the teacher. Some surprises, क्योंकि वो interest develop हो रहा है, definitely वो एक box है. They don't know,
Yeah.
तो definitely उनकी चीजें जो उनको पसंद है वही वो imagine कर रहे होंगे.
वो imagine कर रहे थे, right? So the point is that, see, when I say storytelling, right? So it is something which should actually, trigger the imagination. उसमें trigger होना चाहिए imagination के लिए. Then it has to evoke curiosity. Curiosity से ही imagination आती है. And with this imagination, just think over, the critical thinking starts, right? और आज NEP क्या बात करता है? Critical thinking, experiential learning. So कहाँ से आएगा? हम generally, when we go to classroom, what we do? We actually go and act as postmen, right? हमें जैसे पढ़ाया गया था, हम तो जी वैसे ही पढ़ाएंगे. And what we exactly do is that we, just transfer the knowledge that was given to us in the same manner the postman does. है ना? जैसे चिट्ठी आई, आपने चिट्ठी वैसी की वैसी आगे कर दी. हमने उसके अंदर कोई भी चीज नई डालने की कोशिश नहीं करी. But it's time that the teachers change their roles, start acting as felicitators. And it is very important for us to understand that how are we going to, embark these qualities that we're talking about in the students. So just tell me, do you remember any teacher of yours? हम सभी जानते होंगे कोई एक टीचर तो है जो हमें याद है ना? Was it about the subject they taught, or was it how they made you feel? I would quickly get into the chat and would like to know your answers. Yeah, I am just putting it here. Do you remember your teacher? And also tell me, why do you remember that teacher?
I'm sorry, can I speak? I don't want to do
Yes,
that.
please, 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 please,
Ma'am, I
please.
remember my bio teacher. I am from Mount Carmel, Lucknow. And it was
Ji.
bio teacher because she was teaching me parts of the flowers through that hibiscus flower. And she literally,
Yeah,
putting out one petal out. She's telling me what is corolla, what is gynoecium, androecium. That was interesting. If the lectures are being made interesting, I'm remembering that. That was the main point.
that's the thing. Anybody else? Thank you so much for sharing that. Anybody else remembers a teacher?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please,
Uh,
please.
yeah, my history teacher is was there, and
Yes.
he taught us history in that way, that is storytelling, and
Mm-hmm.
made us learn the years and other things, just like the
Mm-hmm.
story. So we can learn, we could learn it very easily in a story
That's
form.
the thing.
Ki,
That's
yes,
that's
that
it.
was very good.
Yeah, I would also request you all to quickly, introduce yourselves while you're speaking, right? When you're speaking, tell me that I'm from here, right? So that makes me more connected to you, right? So anybody else? I think people are writing something in the chat
Yeah.
also.
Shashikant ji,
Is
you
it?
can unmute yourself and say it.
Yeah,
Shashikant
it will
Mishra
be
ji, you can
better that
unmute
you
yourself.
talk.
Yes. And if you all can switch on your cameras, so it will be very good for the introduction also.
See, there's somebody who's written, Elvira has written, how they made us feel, mannerism, their body language, and their facial expression. Very much. Thank you very much, ma'am, for sharing that. Anybody else? Oh, Baljit remembers the mathematics teacher. Baljit, would you please share it? Why do you remember your mathematics teacher? Baljit, ma'am? Are you there? Would you like to share with us why do you remember your mathematics teacher? Anyways, so the point is that you remember not the teacher, not the lesson, but how they made you feel in that lesson. And that is what we remember. Am I correct? If I'm correct, please give me a thumbs up. At least I'll feel like, I'm talking to you. I'm not talking to walls, right? So the
Yes,
point
ma'am.
is, yeah. So please give me a thumbs up so that I know that you are in, right? So what one teacher that we still remember today was not a genius, not necessary that he was a subject expert. Most of us remember the teacher who was kind, who was empathetic, the way he or she touched us, the way he or she made us feel, the way he or she made memories with us. So people may forget what you said, but they'll always remember how you made them feel, right? So moving ahead, but nowadays, while I say teaching and storytelling, children are all surrounded by so many things. They have so many stories around. They have so much of information running around them all over, that they don't have to actually rely on us for the information. What do they rely on us for? They rely on us. We are actually competing with AI, YouTube, Reels, Netflix, and the attention span has gone down. Nowadays, if you actually see, we said that 30-second was the attention span, but the new studies say that for the children, it's 5 seconds now. So if we go flat, if we don't change, if we don't ask, if we don't trigger, if we don't perform, nothing goes into their mind. And they're not there for the information that you're transferring. They are there for how you are transferring the information. And that is what is going to make all the difference. So for us, the question is, how do we make learning unforgettable? And we make learning unforgettable through storytelling. Now, let's talk about this. Look into it. And see what is happening in here. The 3 stone cutters. Anybody? Is the screen visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can anybody explain what is happening in here?
They all are cutting the stones for different purposes.
They all are doing the same work, if you see. See, the story goes like this. One day, a person went to a place and he saw these 3 stone cutters, right? Yes, Shivangi ma'am, would you like to speak? Please go ahead. Yes, Shivangi ma'am.
Shivangi ji, you want to say something? You have raised your hand.
Anyways,
No
so
problem.
so yes, Ashmita, would you like to speak something?
Yes,
Hello,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Good evening to all. Ma'am, first stone cutter is says he works only for money, right? And second is he focus on the task itself, right? And third is he sees a bigger purpose and vision behind his works.
So, see, the point is that, yes, there's somebody else also trying to speak. Yes, please go on, speak. Take your turns. Yeah, that was a great way of looking at the picture. Anybody else?
Ma'am, could I try?
Yes, please go ahead.
Yeah, hi. So this is Elvira Fernandez. I'm PGT English at present. I'm from Ajmer, Rajasthan.
Yes.
So looking at the picture, as you already gave us a lead, there was a person who went and he saw these 3 people working. Perhaps he met one of them and he asked them, Ki, what are you doing? So the person said that, I'm just cutting stones because I have to earn a living. I have a family to look after back home. The
Yeah.
second person, he asked him, what are you doing? So the second person says, see, there's a wall to be built and I'm cutting stones because this wall has to be done. It has to be done well. So that's what I'm doing. My job is to cut stones. The third person whom he asked, what are you doing? So the third person probably said that I have a larger purpose. There is a cathedral to be built and I'm contributing to the creation or the construction of a beautiful edifice, that is the cathedral. So the
Right.
first person thought about in terms of personal gain, that was he was working just to earn a living. That was his main purpose. The second person wanted to do something, so he was doing it because it was a part of a larger plan. The third person perhaps had the futuristic view, or he had this, let's say, vocation, because if we come to it, that was the larger picture. He was contributing to it.
Right.
So that's my perspective, ma'am.
Very nice. और किसी का कुछ है? I mean, anybody else would
Adding
like
to
to?
her thing only, adding
Yeah.
to her, such like when we are teaching anybody or we are coming to know about anything, so it is just we are teaching or we are really wanting that the children should understand the concept and to
Exactly.
the greater depth. Like over here, it is written at the end, are we completing chapters or building future? The gist
Yes.
of the
Yes.
story is this only. That if
Yes.
we are taking in other perspectives, so what is the thing? If I'm teaching any chapter also, so that is only just for teaching, or it is
That's the
for
thing.
their future lesson.
That's the thing.
It's to be
That's
taken,
what I was.
to be remembered for life. Yes.
Yeah. That's what the purpose of this slide. Actually, you see, the perspective of every person is different, right? And probably most of us, what we do is that we go to school. I know there's a lot of pressure that we undergo. I know that at the end of the day, it's, everybody has to finish the lessons, everybody has to complete the syllabus, everybody has to take assessments, and so on and so forth. Then there are a lot of activities that take place in the school. But the point here is that do we ever reflect on what we are doing? So this reflection is very important, and looking into the perspective. See, the perspective changes with every person. Somebody is just doing it because he has to do. The other person is doing it because he knows some purpose is there. There's something happening, some wall is being made, and he's just cutting the stone for that. But if you see the perspective of the other person, which should actually be an ideal perspective for the teachers, I know, what I'm speaking is at times becomes really tough, but then with small changes, we can, actually build it in the school. So the point here is that he says that I am building a cathedral. So are we actually completing chapters, or are we building futures? What do you think? Are we building futures by the way we are teaching? Let's discuss. How many of us feel that we are actually building futures?
Sir, if we take a personal perspective, I don't think so. We are building, in sense, if my child at the day understands that chapter and imply it in his daily life, so I think we are successful. And if the child is just coming to school, reading, writing, and just listening, I don't think that perspective is fulfilled from my side. I think that is something which we are doing just for a living. But if he's doing it in his life, and he's implying towards his family also that particular model which he's taking through the lesson, I think we are on the track.
So, ma'am, are you, what subject do you teach?
Actually, ma'am, I am the headmistress for
You're the
pre-primary.
headmistress. That's what.
Yeah.
You're talking in the terms of administration. And now I would also like to know the perspective of the teachers. I mean, I hope you're not going to be offended by your teacher if he or she
No,
talks.
sir, ma'am, because I'm an assistant professor. I've been an assistant professor of M.Ed and B.Ed department also. So I
Yeah.
go in that much depth only, ma'am. It's okay.
That's the thing. But I would also like to know perspective of the teachers here. Would you all please, anybody, please talk about it. Are we actually completing chapters, or we're just building futures?
Ma'am, as a teacher, we all have this, let's say, perspective that we
No,
have
I
to
would
do
I
that
would not like
ideally.
you all to be that goody, and I don't want ideal answers. We are here to talk and change our perspectives also. So see, the point here, I'll be very honest. Most of us are just earning living. Am I true in that? What do you all feel? Most of us are doing it because we just want to earn a living. What do you say?
Definitely, ma'am. That's the truth of the life.
That's the
Ma'am,
truth
that
of
is
the
how we
life.
perceive teaching. Many of us perceive teaching as a profession, and many perceive teaching as a vocation. So, if you perceive teaching as a profession, that's a job. You go, you do it, you come home, and when you come home, you disentangle yourself, your mind completely from the job.
Yes.
But if you're in a
Yes.
vocation and you're going to school, you carry school home every day with you, because in the school, you don't perceive children as students. You
That's
perceive
the
them
thing.
as living human beings. So
That's the
you
thing.
bring
So
them home
see,
with you. It's not
yeah.
you teach them in class and you leave them, because there will always be in class some child who has some problem someday. You will either see their face which is downcast, or you'll see a
Yes.
child with bright eyes, perhaps excited about something. You will carry them home with you every day in your mind. So if
Probably,
you're,
and the teachers do. We are not
yes,
corporate workers. कि हम
we
class
cannot
बंद करके आ
emotionally
गए. हाँ
disconnect,
जी.
ma'am. It's not
We
possible to
cannot.
emotionally
We
disconnect.
we cannot, because they are with us 24/7. I would also like to,
Yes.
thought process, positivity, target. Divyanshi, everyone's way of thinking is different. But from this, we learn to always think big, building future, of course. Okay. Most of us feel that we are building futures, of course. But you see, generally, this is what we are conditioned to do. अगर आप ऐसे देखें ना, तो टीचर्स हम जनरली एक मॉरल बायस्ड है हमारे पास कि टीचर को तो ये करना ही है ना. वी आर द फ्यूचर मेकर्स. सो एंड in fact that's a very good thing also to think of ourselves. But probably जनरली ये सब कहीं पे थोड़ा सा खो जाता है जब हमें चैप्टर्स कंप्लीट करवाने होते हैं, एग्जाम्स सर पे होते हैं, एंड देन परफॉर्मेंस प्रेशर आता है जब हम ये कहते हैं कि रिजल्ट नहीं आया. Right? Am I wrong in this? Anybody? Do you relate with it?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
no.
Definitely, ma'am.
It happens. But
It happens
these
actually most of the times.
it happens most of the times. Probably because the way the education, Hanji, thank you so much for saying yes. तो एक्चुअली क्या है, जिस तरह से हमने एजुकेशन को परसीव किया हुआ है ना, वी ऑल एंड अप लुकिंग एट द मार्क्स, एंड सिर्फ मार्क्स के बेसिस पे हमने बच्चे को जज करना होता है एट द एंड. तो सिलेबस कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ, पेरेंट विल कम एंड कंप्लेन. बट टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सी दैट how we can bring these small changes into our lessons and turn them into storytelling, and then the teachers can make the lessons very interesting so that the child keeps the concept in mind forever, right? बचपन में हमें जो पढ़ाया है उसमें से हमें बहुत सारे डेफिनेशंस याद नहीं होंगे, एज दो वी आर टीचर्स तो हमें कुछ कुछ याद है क्योंकि हम उसको क्लासेस में लेके जाते हैं. बट बिकॉज हमने क्लास में जो पढ़ा हर डेफिनेशन हमें याद नहीं है, बट पढ़ाने का तरीका क्या था उससे शायद बहुत सारी, जैसे मुझे आज भी याद है, आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर our maths teacher used to tell us Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bol. So we used to write P, B, and P and by H, H, H. So that is how we solved that triangle question. What is it? Is there a math teacher here? Can you explain what is it? No maths teacher? Great. So probably क्या हो रहा था कि उनका जो पढ़ाने का तरीका था उससे मुझे हाइपरबोल, सॉरी, what do you call, hypotenuse and all, वो मुझे आज भी, मुझे ये याद नहीं है कि वो हम सॉल्व कैसे कर रहे थे, बट मुझे ये आज भी फॉर्मूला याद है, पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर बोल. So the point is that the way it was taught to us made all the difference. Now, have you seen children when you're actually talking to them asking you for one more worksheet ever? मैम एक और वर्कशीट दे दीजिए, या आपने कहानी सुनाई है तो ये कभी सुना है कि मैम एक और कहानी सुना दीजिए?
Yes, ma'am.
Does that happen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
How many
Yes.
of your students will say, ma'am, one more worksheet, please? एक और दे दो ना, please. Do they say that? Let's think and reflect. Do the children ever say कि मैम एक और वर्कशीट दे दो प्लीज, अच्छी लग रही है? How many of they say yes to you? Come
No,
on, please
ma'am.
speak.
No.
Ma'am, it's very, very rare.
Very rare. But when you tell them a story, what happens? There's something happening in the chat. Somebody says few
They
ones.
always said, ma'am, one more story, please.
They'll always say, ma'am, one more story, please. But they'll never say, ma'am, एक और worksheet आप एक के ऊपर दो देने जाओ. They'll say, एक और दे दी. Oh my God. So why is it? Why is it that the child is behaving this way? Anybody? Why stories and why not worksheets?
Ma'am, interesting.
Because
Story
stories make
develop
our
interest.
content more interesting, ma'am.
Stories make it more interesting.
Yes.
But worksheets are not that interesting. आप कितनी colorful worksheets भी दे दो, but the children would say, no, ma'am, no worksheet, please. But they would always say yes to, they will always say yes to one more story. There's a lot happening in the chat. Twinkle
Ashmita
ma'am,
ji,
can
you
you
want to say
please?
something? Ashmita ji.
Ma'am, children ask
Always
for
one
one
more
more story because stories connect with their emotions and imagination. They enjoy listening and
Stories.
learning
Yes,
stories.
stories.
When the,
Yes.
on the other hand, worksheets are usually seen and asked task to complete.
Yeah.
That's why.
There's somebody who has written that in senior classes, the children would ask for more worksheets. How many of you are senior teachers in here? How many worksheets?
मैम मैं कुछ
would...
बोलना चाहती हूँ.
हाँ जी मैम, प्लीज बोलिए, प्लीज, हम बात करने के लिए हैं.
मैम
प्लीज लेट्स टॉक.
मैम मैं ये बोलना चाहती हूँ, जैसे जो बच्चे होते हैं तो उनको पढ़ाई में इंटरेस्ट कम और स्टोरीज में ज्यादा होता है, क्योंकि स्टोरी हम जो बच्चों को बताते हैं तो उसमें उनको मजा आता है, इंटरेस्ट आता है पढ़ने. और अगर हम उसी पढ़ाई को इंटरेस्ट के साथ स्टोरी को, मतलब स्टोरी बेसिस पे अगर बच्चों को पढ़ाएंगे तो ज्यादा उनको रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा ये चीज.
I
Very
think.
good, ma'am. Very good, ma'am. This is the answer what I was looking for. But probably somebody has written in the chat that senior students will ask for one more worksheet. मैं अब senior teachers से बात करने का, I mean, if there's somebody, I mean, the one who has written it, would you please like to reflect on it? Ma'am, sir, somebody wrote in
Vandana,
here.
Vandana ji, you want to say something? You have written in the chat box.
Yeah, Vandana ma'am, you have written that senior students only ask worksheets. Vandana
Because
ma'am.
what I feel, Varsha ji, at senior level, stories doesn't work in 11th and 12th.
It will work, ma'am. Today I'm going to break the myth.
Okay, what I
That's
feel
why
is,
I asked. That's why I'm poking the
no,
teacher.
if you want to learn math formulas, then you can make some story, some small rhyming word sort of thing. I have learned I have done my maths like this only in 12th, making
what,
formulas, remembering different ways.
That's what. But the story changes in the senior
Yes.
and senior secondary.
Yes.
You know, the way you actually get the children into stories is a different way altogether. So we're going to do that today. So now if you see, there's one more question that comes your way. How many of you remember what you ate 21 days or 20 days ago? And how many of you remember where were you when your school closed during COVID? Let's talk. Do you remember what did you eat 21 days ago or 20 days ago for your breakfast?
No, ma'am.
No. How many of you remember it?
I doubt, ma'am.
No. No.
Until and unless it's a special day, then only we can remember. Otherwise, no.
Otherwise, no.
Yeah.
And how many of you remember where were you when the school closed during COVID?
At home.
At home? Some people might have gone to for the CBSE checking. I still remember that I was actually checking standard 12th ka paper, and then suddenly it was said that lockdown ho gaya, chaliye वापस घर जाना है. Do you remember that? Huh? Anybody has a story to tell
Ma'am,
to
I
us?
think we had finished with CBSE corrections. That is for the subject I go for English. And we just finished with corrections, rejoined school, and this notice came that schools and of course everything is going to be closed. COVID is there.
Yes, and then there were papers which were sent to the teacher's house also
Yes, exactly.
to get
Corrections were sent
checked.
home.
So
Yes,
if
yes,
you
yes,
remember
yes.
that. So
Yes,
probably
exactly.
see COVID we remember. But 20 days back, what we ate, we don't remember. Is it true?
Ma'am,
Is it
actually,
true?
I do remember what I ate 21 days back.
Oh, that's
I'm
great.
not going to say anything.
But probably आप मुझे पूछोगे कि मैंने सुबह क्या खाया था, तो I won't
Mostly
remember.
don't
I
remember.
remember
Yes.
I remember it for a particular reason because that day my sister's family came for the summer vacation. So I know what I prepared for lunch and dinner. That is why I
Now,
remember.
see, because there's something related to it, right?
Yes,
We are just
yes,
coming
yes.
to that. And yes, somebody says I was at home, and that's true. See, the point is our brain is wired that way that we only remember things that have certain emotions related to it.
Very true.
See, you remember what you prepared because you made that food with emotion because your sister's family was coming, right? So, but others don't remember it because it's a daily thing, right? For us, it's a daily routine. So probably the brain is wired in a manner that memories flow. Memories, they actually follow the emotions. And the stories, they create emotions, right? And that's why it will always be there in your mind. है ना? तो कोविड इसलिए याद है क्योंकि कोई एक इमोशनल कनेक्ट है वहां पे, कोई एक ऐसा इंसिडेंट हुआ है.
Shivangi ji has written
Yes.
in the chat box very nicely. It has a story. That's why she remembers कि हाँ
There's a story.
Yes,
तो
yes.
story वहां पे connection है, right? And this connection actually follows emotion. उसके साथ आपके कोई emotions जुड़े हैं. And because there is some emotion related to it, you remember the day, or you remember, you have it in your memory. So that's the point. That is something to be actually kept in mind. So memories follow emotions, and stories actually create emotion. Right. And that's why storytelling is very, very important tool when you're teaching. Now let's talk about NEP. How many of you have actually attended these NEP workshops in last 2 years? All of us? Have we?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Huh? Everybody is doing it in one way or the other. Are we not?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, we are all doing it. कभी ना कभी हम एनईपी में कुछ कर ही रहे हैं ना. एवरी डे हमें पता चलता है आज सीबीएसई ने ये कहा है, कल सीबीएसई ने वो कहा है, and everyone, all of us have attended it, right, in one manner or the other. But when we say storytelling in NEP, how do you actually relate storytelling with NEP? See, NEP talks about experiential learning. It talks about competency-based and inquiry-driven learning. Now, what do you actually mean by inquiry-driven learning? What do you mean by it? It's already there on the on your screen. I actually want you all to talk because everybody knows everything. I'm just here to brush you up. Let's talk about it.
Ma'am, can
We
I?
say, yes, please.
Ma'am, the inquiry driven learning means like if we are teaching anything, like we are having any topic in the class, the child should have that curiosity to inquire about it. Like they should ask about it. They should have those doubts in their mind. अगर ऐसा हो रहा है तो क्यों हो रहा है? Sir, ऐसा क्यों हुआ? That is the query they should do. And if they are doing that after the query, they should imply it. कि अच्छा ऐसा था, सर ने ये बताया है, तो मुझे अब इसको ऐसे इम्प्लाई करना है अपने पे.
बिल्कुल, that's the point. So हम बात करते हैं इंक्वायरी ड्रिवन लेसन्स की, हम बात करते हैं कॉम्पिटेंसी बेस्ड लर्निंग. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय कॉम्पिटेंसी बेस्ड लर्निंग? वी टॉक अबाउट स्किल्स. हम 21st century स्किल्स की बात कर रहे होते हैं मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स. व्हाट आर दोस सीज? व्हाट आर दीज कॉम्पिटेंसीज? Anybody? You can ask Google and answer. Come on, let's talk. What are these competencies? What competencies does it talk about? Let's
Ma'am,
see.
competency based learning means building skills and applying knowledge.
What skills are we talking about? What are 21st century skills?
Maybe practical situations.
You can quickly Google and see what are 21st century skills. And give me a list of what is 21st century skill, what all is included in it. Let's do it. Come on. Let's brush it up.
Ma'am, skills like communication, critical thinking, creativity, and problem solving.
Yes.
Collaboration.
Can you please repeat it again for everybody? Number 1.
Communication skill.
Communication. Yes.
Critical thinking.
Critical thinking.
Collaboration.
And problem solving skill.
Collaboration. Wonderful.
Creativity.
Creativity and
Communication.
sorry.
There are 4
Can you please?
C's. The 4 C's. We are talking about the 4 C's.
I'm talking about the 4 C's first, and then we move ahead with the other things. So communication.
Ma'am, 4 C's. Hello.
Anji, ma'am,
Creativity,
please.
innovation, collaboration, communication.
Very good.
Ma'am, and
So
other
these
is
are 4 C's.
leadership. Ma'am, and other is
That's-
skill leadership.
that is, yes, I was first talking about these 4 C's, and then we move ahead. It's leadership, collaboration, and number of things are there. Now, the point is that we are talking about it, but are we actually creating an environment in the classroom where, this is happening? Are we creating lessons in this manner? कि ये सब हो रहा है? We talk about experiential learning. How do you actually do experiential learning in your classrooms? Anybody? We say learning by doing. How do you actually do it in your classroom?
Ma'am, that is
Yes.
something activity based. Like if
Yes.
whatever the chapter is, if we are doing an activity which is related to the
Mhm.
daily life, and through that, if we are teaching that particular chapter, the child will learn
Mhm.
more easily. They will be very clear. They
That's
will be having clear concepts.
very good. So the point is that if the child is able to
Excuse me.
relate everything, yes, please.
Yeah, yeah, ma'am. If the child relate everything with the live examples, then they can relate easily. है ना? For example,
Yes.
if we are teaching them grammar and noun, है ना? For suppose you are teaching noun, then we can give
Yeah.
them live example from the class. So they will learn easily and they will keep remembering.
Yes. It will be there. Now, see, everything comes back to Bloom's, right?
And
Bloom's
ma'am,
taxonomy.
it will be, yes, ma'am, and it will be longer time memory.
It will be a long-term memory which will always
Yes,
be there
ma'am.
in your head.
Yes.
So probably, see, everything come back to Bloom. जो हम knowledge की बात करते हैं ना, that is the very basic thing. And knowledge is everywhere. आज आप देखो सब कुछ available है. Everything is available everywhere, isn't it? Right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It's there on a click. It's available on a click. But what is not there is the way, it's happening with a live experience. Like suppose अभी एक मैम ने बताया कि biology teacher उनको याद है because the biology teacher did the dissection of the flower in front of them and told them that this was this and this was this, right? Right? But if the teacher would have just drawn a picture at the board and would have explained that this is the petal, this is whatever the parts are, or stem, and this these are the I mean, if she would have just named it, I don't think that most of us would have remembered it, right? But because the teacher has done that dissection of the flower in front of you, you remember it. Right? So experiential learning doesn't only mean that you're doing practical things, but it is when you're actually able to relate it with your surroundings, right? Jesse, now NCERT is changing the characters into the names which are actually relatable to the kids. And if you've seen, there's been some changes in, I think, in Kerala or Tamil Nadu, wherein the gender biasness has been taken away from the books. So if a man was going out and earning, now they also show men preparing food at home, right? So the point here is that when we talk about the experiential learning, क्या होना चाहिए? It should actually, the child should be able to relate it with his surroundings. So your examples and your stories will matter, right? And building competency, we have talked about competency. Most of us have talked about it. There's something in the chat. Yeah, competency based learning. What should my students be able to do after lesson, right? It will be able to create critical thinking. And there's somebody who has written role plays, activity, connect them with real life experience. Yes, thank you so much for being such a great audience that you're all talking and you're writing it in the chat box. But I would love to hear you more. So please talk, right? And remember, there is no correct or wrong answer. सबका अपना perspective है. There's no yes or no to it. The more we hear to you, the more we learn, right? So the thing is that when we say competency based things, you'll be able to build skills and apply knowledge, right? And inquiry based is unless you ask a question why. If you are not asking those WHs, what, when, where, how, why, if the child is not able to ask you that, he'll not be curious to discover something. है ना? आप कहानी सुनाते हो, और बच्चे से फिर बीच में एक क्वेश्चन भी पूछते हो, वो आंसर करता है। बट आप एक डेफिनेशन देते हो और थोड़ी देर के बाद बच्चे से पूछते हो कि भैया इसका डेफिनेशन सुनाओ, सेम टू सेम वो नहीं सुना पाता है। Am I correct in that? Somebody is written yes.
Yeah,
correct.
Shivangi ji, you can
code.
message in the chat box, not a problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. Please. It's okay. I mean, if you're able to talk, please talk. It gives me, it encourages me to talk more and, come out with more things that are not written on the slide, right? So storytelling actually what it does is that it brings these principles to life, in a very meaningful, memorable, and emotional way. See, the point here is emotions. Your emotions matter. The way you actually talk to the kids, the way you deliver it to the children, that matters, right? Okay, I'll just quickly, yeah. It is critical thinking, ma'am, which we want. Yes, critical thinking. Let's talk about it. What do you think how do you think that critical thinking is related here with NEP? What do you mean by critical thinking?
Ma'am, that is one word given for critical thinking out of the box. We are confined to one thing, but critical thinking moves to different surroundings, different things.
That is what I said. If you remember, I say if the child is able to answer your WHs, right? And if the child is able to inquire WHs, what, when, where, how, if the child is able to think that and is able to imply that knowledge somewhere, that is critical thinking. And if there's a problem and the child is trying to solve it in a different manner or in a manner that nobody else has done it, that is critical thinking. Right? But how would it happen? If we go on teaching them in a traditional manner, do you think that will happen? Don't you think that we need to change something in the classroom? What do you say? वही same notebook में लिखना and then वो copies check कर लेना. I mean, that is important. But do you think that that is going to create critical thinking and inquiry-driven lessons and competencies in the classroom? What do you all say? Shall I go to chat and see if you're saying something? But ma'am, I believe it can be only with the storytelling and daily life examples only. We are going to talk about that. Anybody else? Anybody else? Don't you think that there has to be some change in our pedagogy, or to actually relate with NEP 2020 that is actually being asked from the teachers? Or do we keep on doing the traditional teaching? What do you all say?
Traditional teaching leads to as if NEP says, no rote memory method, nothing like, textbooks से confined नहीं रहना है. NEP तो यही कह रहा है. अब यहाँ पर हम लोग अगर कोई चैप्टर पढ़ा रहे हैं, हम टेक्स्ट बुक से रीडिंग करा देते हैं, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करा दिए, वर्ड मीनिंग करा दिए, डिफिकल्ट, वो है तो वही ट्रेडिशनल, बट अब उसको हमें अगर इनकॉर्पोरेट करना अगर NEP के थ्रू, तो वो तो यही कहता है आप क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग को लाइए, एप्लीकेशंस लगाइए, एक्टिविटी बेस्ड करिए. बच्चा जितना एक्सपीरियंस को इंडल्ज करेगा उसमें वो ज्यादा बेटर सीखेगा. बट अभी भी मैम नो डाउट, चाहे हम कितना, ये पता नहीं मैम, दिस इज माय एक्सपीरियंस, हम
नहीं, you're very right. You're very right. That is why I put this question here. आपको क्या लगता है जो हम कर रहे हैं और जो हम सीख रहे हैं में बहुत डिफरेंस है?
बहुत डिफरेंस है.
बिल्कुल, आज भी हम क्लासरूम में जाते हैं. दिस इज बिकॉज हमने ये बताना है कि जी हमने तो 50 आवर्स का एक वो कर लिए, ट्रेनिंग कर लिए, बट आर वी एबल टू इम्प्लीमेंट इट? सी, इट हैज come from it cannot go from bottom to up. It has come down. It has to come down from up to bottom, right? So there's a lot of change that mindset has to change. But with if you actually look into the administration also, they are also bound because they actually are answerable to the parents, right? So what we have to do is that we have to actually create a bridge between it, because in the classroom we are the people who are going to bring the change. It's not the management that will bring a change, right? Suppose if you're taking 5 classes for a lesson, why not create one story that could be related to your teaching, right? These small actions can actually change, bring the change that we're looking for. Because end of the day, parent would say कि मैडम कॉपी में तो कुछ लिखवाया नहीं आपने, okay? It should be innovative. We should add something in the traditional teaching. Yes, we have to, because अगर हम ये जो बात करें ना NEP implement करनी है and हमने, but what we are doing, we are actually being, actually stuck to it because we that is what is expected out of it, isn't it? From us it is expected कि copy में काम हो जाना चाहिए. For us it is expected कि spelling हो जाने चाहिए, notes हो जाने चाहिए. But the point is that एक सजी हुई copy होना और बच्चे को कुछ नहीं आना, and एक scribble होना और बच्चे को कुछ आना, what is better? What do you all say?
The second one is better.
The second one is better.
Yes.
Ma'am, flip classrooms.
जी.
Maybe.
Flip classrooms also do help.
जी. Sorry,
Flip
फिर से
class-
बोलिए.
Flip
Sorry,
classrooms, ma'am.
Flip classrooms can happen. That is one way of doing it. One day you can like act as a student and let your child take the class, right? But here
Yes.
we are doing the storytelling.
Storytelling.
है ना?
Yes.
So हम आज स्टोरी टेलिंग की बात करेंगे. तो स्टोरी टेलिंग के जो प्रिंसिपल्स हैं, देखिए एक चीज याद रखिए, जो भी आप सिखा रहे हो उसको मीनिंगफुल और इमोशनल वे में लाइफ से कनेक्ट करना ही स्टोरी टेलिंग है, राइट? जैसे अभी जो हम बात कर रहे हैं, हम कुछ और नहीं कर रहे हैं, we're just talking, we're telling stories and we're just, I am not teaching you anything, right? But learning is happening. That is
Yes.
what we have to achieve in the classroom, right? There's somebody else who has written something. It should be innovative. Second. Okay, Shivangi ma'am, thank you. So we move on. And why these stories work, that is also very important. आपको ये तो समझना पड़ेगा ना, हम कह रहे हैं स्टोरी टेलिंग कर लीजिए, स्टोरी टेलिंग कर लीजिए. भाई स्टोरी टेलिंग वर्क क्यों करेगा? Number one, if you remember, when I started with a story, I said that there was a box, but at the end it was empty. What did it do? It sparked creativity. हर बच्चे के लिए बॉक्स में कुछ और था, isn't it? आपके लिए
Yes,
भी
ma'am.
बॉक्स में कुछ और रहा होगा. Everybody would have thought of something else, right? So what is happening when you actually do storytelling? Stories will spark imagination and it will inspire new ideas, right? Then when you actually do storytelling, it would actually enhance communication. Stories make ideas easy to express and understand. You can express the stories, you can express your ideas, what you're thinking can be expressed in a very innovative manner. Next point is that it builds confidence in the learner. बच्चे में एक, जैसे अगर आप I have created a small channel, अभी नया ही बनाया मैंने, थोड़ा AI मैं कर रही थी, so I just have created a YouTube channel which is for the kids. Now I have started experimenting on it. So that's called Nonu Nani TV. So मैंने उसमें एक water cycle की poem बना दी. Now that is actually for the the nursery grade bacha, but I am trying to actually do and uplift it to the level of class 12. So I'm working on it right now. So the point is that it would also increase confidence in students, in the learners. Stories help learners believe in themselves and speak with clarity. ज्यादातर problem क्या होती है? Confidence नहीं है मैम, बच्चा बोलता ही नहीं है. If you don't let him speak his mind, he would never, so the point is कि उसको इतना confidence देना है आपने कि वो बोल सके, right? Empathy is the thing. The child starts empathizing with the characters or whatever you're teaching, even with you, even with the classroom. So storytelling is very important and it works, and this remains. हमने अभी कोविड का एग्जाम्पल देखा, हमने कहा इमोशंस जो हैं, जहां पर भी जिस इंसिडेंट्स के साथ इमोशन लगा होगा वो आपको याद रहेगा. Is it correct what I'm speaking?
Yes.
Yeah. So the
Yes,
point
ma'am.
is that I'll
True.
just quickly see, I'll just quickly see the chats because there's a lot happening in the chat box. Competency-based learning means asking. If you say something related to children, they respond very happily. Yes. So this is what you have all started picking up the things. So when we actually do storytelling, it actually enhances creativity, communication, retention, confidence, and empathy. I would actually ask you all to take a screenshot of it, or if you want, you can take a notes out of it so that you remember
We will be
it, that
sharing or
stories-
recording in the group. We will be sharing everything in that group.
Okay. So the stories don't just inform, they transform. And how do they transform? They enhance creativity, they enhance communication, there's retention. At the end, retention happens, it enhances confidence and it enhances empathy in the child. So let's move on and see. So everyday subject, when I say everyday subject is a story. हर subject जो है वो क्या है? एक story है. ठीक है? कैसे है? Every topic, every lesson, every day is a story. Maths has story behind it. When we say who discovered it, what does it and how does it matter today, and why does it matter today? Science has a story. I told you all WHs. When you keep WHs in mind, you will have all sort of stories, right? So all who discovered. Why does it matter today? Science, the story of curiosity and discovery. है ना? अगर आप बच्चे को ये बताओ कि रेडियम होता है और आप उसके साथ उसकी एक स्टोरी बताओ कि रेडियम को किसने डिस्कवर किया और क्यों किया, how did it happen? So that will remain in the mind of the child. History obviously is story. History अपने आप में ही story है. Because it is the story of people, it is the story of events, it's the story of civilizations, it is actually the story of incidents and the choices that you made. And the history actually helps you, enhance your choices of life. So हम नहीं कह सकते कि भाई इसमें तो हम कैसे पढ़ाएंगे. मैथ्स में पढ़ा सकते हैं, साइंस में पढ़ा सकते हैं, हिस्ट्री में पढ़ा सकते हैं, लैंग्वेजेस, then and you know that language, there's one PGT English sitting here, and I would just want you to talk about it. How do you say that language is story?
Ma'am, we had earlier this poem in grade 9 that was The Road Not Taken by Robert
Yes.
Frost. So that
Yeah.
poem is not just a poem that we study in the class. There's a story behind it where Robert Frost with his friend goes for a walk every morning. And his friend had this doubt every morning that which road should we take today for a walk. Every road would appeal. Ki this one looks good, this one looks good, let's go this one, let's go that one. But his friend, that's Robert Frost, would laugh at his friend, and he wrote a poem on his friend's indecision to make a choice. Which road should we take today for a walk? And that poem became so famous that it was even now associated with our life, where we have a choice to make and we don't know which one to pick. Everyone seems equally interesting, equally appealing.
Yes.
So this is the story. So every time I would teach the poem in grade 9, I would tell them the story about it. How did this poem come about? It's not just the poem, there's a story behind it.
There's a story behind it. And you know what? There's one more version of the story that I have heard about Road Not Taken is that Robert Frost was an English writer, and probably he actually was not flourishing in England. So he had to move to America for that purpose. And
Okay.
when he moved, he wrote this poem that he took the road which was
A road
less traveled by.
less traveled by. Then even
Yes.
in grade
So
12, sorry, ma'am, I am interrupting.
yeah, please go ahead. Go ahead. It's about you. It's not about me. Come on, let's talk. Yeah.
In grade 12, we have this one prose which we still have in our syllabus, that is
Yeah.
On the Face of It, where we have these two characters in a play. One is Mr. Lamb, who's handicapped because he has a tin leg, and we have a young boy named Derry who has a half burnt face. So in the
Yeah.
conversation, we come to a place where Derry tells Mr. Lamb that, you know, I don't, you cannot force me to choose you as a friend. I choose my own friends.
Yeah.
Okay, you cannot tell me to choose a friend. You cannot tell me to be your friend. I choose my friends. So usually I ask my
That's
students in class, "Ki this seems very familiar. Have you heard this dialogue anywhere? There's a movie, you know, there's a movie, Shah Rukh Khan's movie. We have Sushmita Sen in that movie. Any one of you remembers?" So they will all begin wondering which movie. And I think Shah Rukh Khan has acted with Sushmita Sen only in one movie, and that is Main Hoon Na.
G.
So in that one movie, there's that one particular scene where we have Amrita Rao and Shah Rukh Khan both together sitting with a cup of coffee, and Amrita Rao tells Shah Rukh Khan, who plays the role of this Major Ram Sharma, and she says कि मैं अपने दोस्त खुद चुनती हूँ और वो सब स्पेशल होते हैं,
हाँ जी.
है ना? So
See, yeah,
it's
please
like
go ahead. Go ahead.
so it's like a story within a story. So that moment, it breaks the momentum of the text that is in the class, because if their children are, you know, losing their attention at that
Interest.
moment, interest, so that brings them back. Everybody's like, suddenly where we have gone. Oh, this is okay. One is talking about a movie. Okay, this movie, acha, iski story ye thi. Then you get them all curious and you get them all interested, and they want to
And
speak.
probably they would remember it when they are actually answering it in the boards. They'll be
Exactly,
able to relate it
exactly,
from there. So that's the
exactly.
point. See, the point is that these stories would actually create an emotional connect, right?
Yes.
Or it will leave an impression in your mind, in your subconscious mind. And probably when the child is writing it, it will trigger. Usko yaad aa
Yeah.
jayega. He will be able to relate it with that. And then it will trigger and the answers come naturally, right?
Yeah.
There's a lot happening in the chat also. Twinkle ma'am, will you please, okay, let me see what is happening.
Yeah,
Okay.
I am telling you, Varsha ji, just a minute, I am telling you. Shivangi ji has written, if we are teaching,
Yeah.
we have to ask students story related to the point.
And else, and something else. I saw somebody writing something on atom or something.
Vandana
There's a
ji has
lot
written,
happening.
structure of atom is a story. Discovery of
Yeah.
a cell is a story.
Everything is a story.
As a discovery of gravity is also a story. How the apple.
That's also a story. अगर
Yeah.
apple गिरता ही नहीं तो आज
नहीं तो
अभी
वो
हम
story बनती
gravity नहीं
नहीं।
कर रहे होते. बिल्कुल. So the
Exactly.
point here, if you see, there's one example from commerce also. The story of needs and choices and values is commerce, right? So how do you
Demand
actually
and
take
supply also can be a
demand and
story.
supply is also a story, right? We are going to do something in here. I have a lot of examples today. So great teachers don't just teach subjects, they tell stories that makes learning stick. देखिए अभी जो मैम ने एग्जांपल दिया ना कि मैम ने उसको शाहरुख खान की एक मूवी के साथ रिलेट किया. So what is she trying to do? She's making the learning to stick. तो जितनी कहानियां आप बनाओगे, अब ये नहीं कि वो फैक्ट से रिलेटेड है, नहीं आप कुछ भी कहानी बना दो, दैट इज नॉट हैपनिंग, बट यू आर गोइंग टू प्रेजेंट इट इन अ मैनर that that stays with the children for a long time, right? And
Yes,
that is what our sole purpose is.
yes, ma'am. I have an example in SST also.
Yeah.
I was teaching class 8 students about industries, small industries and cottage industries. So I give them examples of that cottage industries that is in Gujarat, है ना? Pickles, they make pickles and papads also in at their home. So most of the students have learned that example and they memorize this, you know.
They have
With
memorized.
example,
Yeah.
they connect this industries, small scale and cottage industries and they write in the exam also, and some of
They would
them
write it.
some of them wrote down only example of that pickle and that papad.
So the point,
So
see,
this
that's a point.
yes, yes, yes.
So
Matlab, their concept was clear at that time,
that means
and
that
they
the
memorized
concept
this.
is clear. Yeah, that means
Yeah,
that the
yeah.
concept is clear.
The-
And for us, it is not
Yeah.
what we want word to word always. See, assessments
yes.
भी
Key
different
point,
type के हो
key
सकते हैं.
answers are key points were there.
जी.
Yes.
Summative assessment के लिए तो चलो बच्चे को by word to
So
word
I
याद
have to
करके
check
लिखना ही
this
है.
type of
हाँ जी.
things also.
That would remain.
Yes. So we can correlate each and every subject with the stories and live
Something.
examples.
Yes.
Yes. So they can do easily and they memorize them also. है ना?
They'll actually keep it in mind. See,
Yes,
memories fade बहुत जल्दी. जो last अगर आपने Bloom's taxonomy ध्यान में है आपको, तो the lowest level is rote memorization. It's memorization. It will not last for a long time. But ये जो आप example दे रहे हो ना, ये memorize नहीं है. It is actually creating an imprint, an impression in the brain. Right? And it will remain forever. आप चले जाओगे, बच्चा कभी वापस आएगा बड़ा होके, या हो सकता है अपने बच्चे को जब पढ़ा रहा होगा तो शायद वो सेम एग्जाम्पल देगा. Right? So the point is that the concept वहां पर क्लियर हो जाता है and it sticks in the mind. So facts जो हैं they tell, stories sell, but experiences they stay. Right? हम स्टोरी सेल कर रहे हैं भाई, हम तो बच्चे को अपनी तरह से पढ़ा रहे, बट इट्स ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, इट्स नॉट अबाउट इंटरटेनिंग द किड, इट इज अबाउट क्रिएटिंग एन इम्प्रेशन इन द चाइल्ड्स माइंड, दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. राइट? सो अब हम इंटरटेनर्स नहीं है, हम मूवी स्टार्स नहीं है कि हम जाके एक्टिंग करेंगे बच्चे के पास. But the only point that you have to remember is the way you're presenting it. Like you said that for the cottage industry, you gave an example. So it has created an impression in the child's mind, and it is going to be there forever. Right? So that is what we are going to create. Now let's see a maths ka example. Any maths teacher in here? Or anybody who's good at maths? Any primary teacher? There's a headmistress here. Ma'am, can you please look into it? Everybody, can you please look into it? We're
Yes,
teaching maths.
ma'am.
I'm just giving you an example. Right?
Ma'am, fractions
तरीका-
can be taught through pizza. 1 by 8, 1 by
Yes.
2, 1 by 3. Yeah, it's very easy
Yes.
with the pizza example. And children loves to eat pizza, so they will understand it also very nicely.
They'll always remember and they'll understand the concept. Right?
Okay, ma'am. This,
Everybody
pizza-
wants.
Sorry,
Yeah.
sorry. I'm again.
Go ahead.
This
Go ahead.
pizza,
Go ahead. Yeah.
Actually, I just told you my sister's family is over for the vacation, so they have just she and her son have been working on this pizza, fraction pizza. She has just made that project with her son. This is his holiday
wow.
homework. So this
Oh,
is
wow.
exactly what they have made.
Oh, great. So the point is to see if you actually relate it. अब pizza हर बच्चे को पसंद ही है almost, हाँ? And you're actually teaching fractions with pizza. हाँ? तो वो शायद बच्चा जो है वो जल्दी understand करेगा. Anybody in the class here, can you please explain it? What is happening in here? Anybody? It's a Friday, 4 friends. Aisha, Brian, Chirag, and Dia are super hungry. They order 1 pizza, but there's a problem. They all want an equal share. How much pizza will each friend get? Number 1, the pizza is cut into 8 equal slices. That is 8. अब आपने बच्चे को बताया कि हमने एक पूरा पिज्जा लिया और उसको हमने क्या किया? 8 equal slices में काटा, तो वो टोटल कितना है जी? 8 है. ठीक है?
8.
There are 4 friends, है ना? So each one will get how many? 2,
1/4.
isn't it? The child would answer, ma'am, 2, because there are 8. The child has learned division. You will say that by 8 pieces हैं और आप 4 हो, how many will you get? 2 each, they will say.
2.
And each, obviously, and each friend gets, so out of 8 slices, so 2 by 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? That is 2 by 8 of a pizza. But 2 by
Yes.
8 can be simplified. It is the same as 1 by 4. So each friend gets 1/4 of the pizza. है ना? So the concept becomes very clear. आप बच्चे को समझा सकते हो जो 2 पीस आपको मिल रहे हैं, that is actually 1/4 of a pizza. And this has
Pizza.
come in a way of a story. Right? आपने उसको बोरिंग तरीके से नहीं बताया कि भाई 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, ये कट जाएगा and it is 1/4.
बच्चा
है ना?
इंटरेस्टिंग
Generally हम क्या करते हैं? हाँ जी, प्लीज बोलिए बोलिए।
बच्चा
Ma'am, please
इंटरेस्ट
go
नहीं
ahead.
लेगा मैम। बच्चा इंटरेस्ट तब लेगा जब उससे कोई खाने वाली चीज से, या हम किसी भी उससे बच्चे को पढ़ाएंगे, तभी वो पढ़ने में इंटरेस्ट लेता है।
Bilkul. And this is actually a story if you see. It's all a comic story. We have created a comic strip out of it. और बच्चे ने बड़ी easily ये concept समझ लिया कि भाई 2 by 8 is also 1/4. Isn't it? Is equal to 1/4. And that is what you wanted to teach when you were teaching fractions, right? We move ahead to the other subject. Look into it. The photosynthesis has come.
यस
राइट? अब आप मुझे ये बताइए कि ये तो एक हमने सिंपल एक पिक्चर बोर्ड बनाया हुआ है। कैन यू एक्चुअली क्रिएट अ स्टोरी आउट ऑफ इट फ्रॉम अ सीड? कैन यू नेम अ सीड? अगर आप छोटे बच्चों को फोटोसिंथेसिस पढ़ा रहे हो, बड़े बच्चों को तो खैर आपको बहुत सारे रिएक्शंस पढ़ाने हैं, बट आप छोटे बच्चों को 6th 7th स्टैंडर्ड तक के बच्चों को जब पढ़ा रहे हो, can't we actually name the seed and tell a small seed and a big dream? I am a tiny seed, I want to grow, but I need energy. So where will it come from? So it will come from sunlight, isn't it? Huh? The sunlight will capture, and where will it happen? It will happen in the leaves. तो हम क्या इसको एक कैरेक्टर नहीं बना सकते हैं इस सीड को? Can we
Yes,
do that?
ma'am. Yes,
can.
ma'am, it can be done.
Huh?
It's a very good
Can
idea.
anybody tell me a
It's a
story?
very good idea,
Yeah.
actually.
Ma'am, you
Can
want
you
a
actually
story?
create a story? Yeah, I want a story out of it.
Okay, can I try?
Yeah, please try. Go ahead.
Okay, so let's say there was a small seed of a mango tree, and his name is Monu. And Monu was sleeping under the soil, under this blanket of the soil, having a cozy sleep under the soil. And as he slept over there, a few drops of rain fell and disturbed him. So Monu put out his arms, stretched out his arms, and step by step, he came out from the soil. When he came out from the soil, he looked around and he saw there was a sky, there was a sun in the sky, and some rays, these beautiful rays of the sun touched him. And Monu felt very happy. It touched his heart opened out, and he began to look around with eyes of curiosity. He had green
Yeah.
leaves, he was green in color, and now someone kept pouring water on him, gave him a shower every day. And he could look around and he could see the birds, he could hear the birds singing, he could see beautiful leaves around him, he could see beautiful colors around him. And he felt he was growing stronger every day because of that rays of the sun that were touching him. They were playing with him, and he could feel this lovely wind that was touching his leaves. He kept growing and growing stronger, kept growing higher, and he could hear voices. So something like this, I mean, with
So the point here is that how, है ना?
Yes.
We're doing it very nicely, but the only point is that you're missing on how. How is it
Yeah.
happening? The sunlight is being captured by the leaf, and
Leaves.
yes, because
The water.
the leaves, the plant would there's water, and the plant would need carbon dioxide that is coming from air, right? So from the air, it started taking CO2. Because you can always create it in a manner like, if you actually see a tiny plant, a big challenge, and a story of survival.
Yes,
So actually,
okay.
it's a story of survival of a seed. Any seed that you're sowing, any photosynthesis that is happening, it is a story of survival, right? So you can make the seed a hero. And then you can say that, from roots are also the heroes of the seed when it becomes a plant. So what happens? It takes water from the roots because somebody is watering him. And then from there, with the help of sunlight, it creates carbon dioxide, isn't it? So actually, you're not going away from the lesson, but you're actually creating something that is going to remain in the child's mind. And the seed then speaks. I make my food on my own. You can always say that, and there's one more way of doing it, that there's a seed, but it doesn't have ways of the ways in which you get your food. It cannot order. Mommy doesn't cook for him. But then, how does it make it? How is it that they feed? They get their feed, and then you can start telling the story of photosynthesis, and science becomes easier for the kids to remember. See, they'll remember carbon dioxide, they'll remember water, they'll remember sunlight. Probably this is what you want when the child is answering, isn't it? Am I the only person who's speaking? Come on, talk.
No,
Yes, ma'am, that's very true.
Yeah, and then,
Yes, ma'am.
I grow and I thrive.
Role play and
Yeah, you can even create a role play in the junior classes, right?
role play and
So
skit form also. Skit भी करवा
it can
सकते हैं
also
किसमें
come here.
student
So
को.
the point is that
Yes.
once this
Yeah.
is clarified in standard 5th or 6th, when the photosynthesis का concept comes, it will remain in the child's mind in standard 12 जब आप उसको reaction बताओगे कि ग्लूकोज में कैसे उसका जो है बाइफर्केशन होता है, ये शुगर जो है ये कैसे ग्लूकोज बनती है, ये क्वेश्चन आता है स्टैंडर्ड 12th में, isn't it? है ना? So it will remain in the child's mind while he is doing the chemistry thing, right? And our way, what we are actually trying to do is that we are trying to create that impression in the child's mind forever. And if it happens grade by grade in the similar manner, the concept धीरे 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 mature होता चला जाता है ना? So the point is, if you see, I'll go to chats also. So the point is, if you see, storytelling will always create impression in the child's mind, and it will remain, and the child will understand it forever. है ना? जो मैं आपसे कह रही हूँ, धीरे धीरे कॉन्सेप्ट बिल्ड करते जाएंगे हम. पहले हम नर्सरी में तो हम सिर्फ बता देंगे कि भाई सीड होती है, उसके 2 लीफ आ जाते हैं, हम उसको डाइकोटिलिडन और वो तो नहीं समझाएंगे मोनोकोटिलिडन. बट बच्चा अगर जर्मिनेशन करके ला रहा है तो उसको पता है कि सीड जो है वो 2 पार्ट में टूट रहा है. यू कैन ऑलवेज रिलेट अ स्टोरी विथ इट, right? And then move ahead, and every grade, what happens? The story matures and the concept remains, and the
I'm
students
sorry to
connect. And
interrupt.
yeah,
Like you told about pizza, right? अब
yeah,
हमने उसमें मैम फ्रैक्शन का लिया, बट फ्रैक्शन हमारा तब भी हायर ले, अगर हम उसमें चाहते तो प्लस और माइनस भी सिखा सकते थे फर्स्ट
बिल्कुल सिखा
महीने में.
सकते हैं.
हाँ, 2+4
आप
पिज्जा की
डिविजन
जो
भी
पीस है,
सिखा सकते हो.
हाँ वो कॉन्सेप्ट बढ़ता चला गया हमारा, प्लस माइनस से आके हम
बिल्कुल.
फ्रैक्शन पे आ गए. द सेम थिंग विच यू आर
बिल्कुल.
टेलिंग फॉर लाइक फोटोसिंथेसिस, दैट यू
Similarly,
आर सेइंग. वही मैं भी कह रही हूँ कि जो एक चीज हम शुरू कर रहे हैं वो कॉन्सेप्ट्स का लेवल बढ़ता जाएगा, बस बताने का
कॉन्सेप्ट का
तरीका बदलता
बताने का
जाएगा.
तरीका बदलेगा, कॉन्सेप्ट का लेवल बढ़ता चला जाएगा. बट व्हेन इफ यू रिमेन विद द स्टोरीज, देखिए हम क्या बोलते हैं आजकल, हम कहते हैं ना कि लीनियर वो कोलैबोरेशन करिए. हम कहते हैं ना कि लैटरल और क्या बोलते हैं उसको, it's just getting out of my head. It says that throughout the lesson, क्योंकि जब हम एक बात करें 360 डिग्री रिपोर्ट कार्ड्स की, तो वो कैसे होगा? हर क्लास में कॉन्सेप्ट तो नहीं बदलेगा ना.
दिस इज
It will
स्टेप बाय
happen
स्टेप.
step by step. तो ये कॉन्सेप्ट्स को आप स्टेप बाय स्टेप आगे लेके जा सकते हो, राइट? सिमिलरली लेट्स टेक एन इकोनॉमिक्स का एग्जांपल. हम रिसेशन समझा सकते हैं बच्चे को ऐसे. एनी इकोनॉमिक्स टीचर, somebody told कि भाई सीनियर क्लासेस में बच्चे सिर्फ और सिर्फ वर्कशीट्स मांग रहे. नाउ यू कैन सी दिस. मैगी का एग्जांपल आप दे सकते हो. मैंने तो चॉकलेट बार का दिया है बिकॉज आई डिड नॉट वांट मैगी टू कम इन हियर. बट आपको याद होगा वही 10 रुपए का पैकेट मैगी का आप आज लेने जाते हो, प्राइस सेम है. There's a case study of 5 rupees का Parle G also. What has reduced the size? Same chocolate, same price. but you're enjoying less. And that's inflation. If you look into it. So Ria loves chocolates. After sometimes the price of many of the things have gone up, but what has not gone up? The price of the chocolate. How? If you see, she buys a chocolate bar of ₹50, it weighs 50 gram. Okay. Transport, oil, packaging, labor, everything becomes costlier. But the company still sells the chocolate for ₹50. But company 50 रुपए में ही बेच रही है. आप सामान उठाने जाते हो, 10 ग्राम कम नहीं देखते हो, आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा. आपने तो पैकेट देखना है जी. But now the bar weighs only 40 grams. Right? And Ria notices, yes, Ria notices the chocolate is smaller. Same price, less chocolate.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
is inflation. When the value of money falls, we get less of the same thing. So, अभी आपने उसको value of money भी समझा दिया. Value of money fall कर रहा है, prices high हो रहे हैं, inflation हो रहा है, इसलिए आपको सामान जो है वो कम मिल रहा है ना? So this is a very easy way of, and अगर आप case studies लाना चाहते हो तो आप मैगी को लाइए, आप पार्ले जी को लाइए. There are a lot of examples you can cite from your day-to-day things. So see, in economics also we have done a storytelling thing in here. है ना? तो आप inflation समझा सकते हो. Inflation means the general increase of prices over time. Over time चीजें बढ़ेंगी, purchasing power reduce होगा क्योंकि money का power कम हो जाएगा, है ना?
Yes,
लेकिन
ma'am.
आप क्या करोगे? आप as a company आप अपना price नहीं बढ़ाओगे, आप अपना सामान कम कर दोगे. So जैसे जैसे money का value गिरेगा, आपका सामान कम होता चला जाएगा. So this is what you have to make them understand. So behind every small change in your life, there's big economic story. है ना? तो आप बच्चे को realize करा सकते हो, उसको correlate करवा सकते हो. Okay, there's something happening in here also. Let's see. As a nursery teacher, I introduced number 1, write in the air, then on table with finger, then in sand, then in crayon, and it remained. Wow, this is great. Quantity कम हो जाएगी, बिल्कुल. जी. तो the point is कि आप inflation पढ़ा सकते हो with this story. जरूरी नहीं है कि आप बच्चे को एक concept inflation होता है, inflation का आप उसको you're giving definition क्योंकि वो notebook में लिखेगा, आप समझा रहे हो, but बच्चे को समझ नहीं आ रहा है. But if you correlate it with something which is related to the child, he would remember. So stories make economics easy to understand and remember. So understand, compare, save, and make smarter choices. आप क्या सिखा रहे हो बच्चे को, है ना?
You have to be more innovative and creative.
Yes, you have to be, because storytelling is creativity.
Yes, definitely. Yes.
We can't just block our mind and go in the class and say कि हम storytelling कर रहे हैं भाई. No, that will not work. You have to open up. That is what, out of box जो हम बात करते हैं, हर बार
You can create a story out of a small thing also, but it should be creative and
Yes.
innovative.
But it should be creative, innovative, and should be related to the
But
lesson
obviously,
what you're
yes.
trying to.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So, we can do it in our ACPs. Now, see the history ka example. Let's come to the history also. So, I told you, ma'am ne abhi hame bataya, the road not taken. That is, 2 roads diverged in a wood, and I kept the less, the other one for some other day. I chose the less traveled. That's how it is, I guess. So the history is also a story of choices, courage, and consequences. The past is not just what happened. History जो हमें पढ़ाई जाती है, हमें क्यों याद नहीं रहती है, बच्चे क्यों बोर होते हैं, आपने कभी सोचा है? आप फीड कर रहे हो उसको, क्या करते हैं हम? इंटरेस्टिंग बनाते ही नहीं है ना, हम तो स्टोरी बताते ही नहीं है बच्चे को. We don't talk to them in the manner of a story. We tell them the facts. हम बता देते हैं इस डेट पे ये हुआ था, इस डेट पे ये हुआ था. But we never speak of the choices the leaders had and what choice has made a major difference. If you see यहाँ पे 4 slides हैं, 4 या 5 एक story line बनी हुई है इसके अंदर. अगर आप देखें, choice to speak up, it happened in 1885, है ना? लीडर्स ने पहले सोचा कि भाई वी हैव टू यूनाइट एंड देन वी हैव टू टॉक अबाउट इट, एंड देन द न्यूज़पेपर स्टार्टेड. 1919 से 1992 चॉइस हुआ. किसकी चॉइस है ये? इस चॉइस इज गांधी जी's. He chose ahimsa, non-violence, and millions chose to follow. Then they started a quit India movement. The nation chose freedom over fear. लोगों को ये समझ में आया कि नहीं, अब ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. We have to have our own freedom, right? And then there was courage needed. भाई पता तो है कि नहीं, but who is going to bell the cat? So then there were people who chose to sacrifice their comforts, and they came up with Inqilab Zindabad. And ये सब मिलकर ये all choices have created freedom for us. अगर आप इस तरीके से एक स्टोरी लाइन पे हिस्ट्री पढ़ाएंगे तो see the child will learn कि डिसीजंस जो हैं वो फ्यूचर को शेप करते हैं. हिस्ट्री हम क्यों पढ़ाते हैं? व्हाई डू वी एक्चुअली टीच हिस्ट्री? हमको थोड़ी बताना है कि पीछे किसी ने क्या कर दिया, किसने मंदिर बनवा दिए, किसने मस्जिद तोड़वा दिए. दैट्स नथिंग. द पॉइंट हियर इज दैट वी हैव टू टेल देम द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस. हिस्ट्री हम क्यों पढ़ाते हैं? We know the consequences of the choices that we have made. अगर कोई किंगडम फ्लरिश करी है, वहां क्या था? What has actually made it, flourish? What decisions? History helps us take decisions, and that is what is to be clarified to the children. बच्चे को पता ही नहीं होता हम हिस्ट्री क्यों पढ़ा रहे हैं, और हम पढ़ाए जा रहे हैं, and he has no interest in it. बट आपने देखा होगा सडनली जब आप थोड़े बड़े हो जाते हो एंड यू स्टार्ट रियलाइजिंग थिंग्स, आपको हिस्ट्री अच्छी लगती है. आप हिस्ट्री की पॉडकास्ट सुनते हो, करते हो आप लोग? डू यू ऑल डू इट?
Yes,
कम ऑन यार,
definitely.
टॉक.
Yes,
हम करते हैं. वी ट्राई एंड फाइंड आउट हिस्ट्री, इजंट इट? तो every choice has consequences, and that is what is to be taught to the children when we are teaching history. Ordinary people, brave choices have brought extraordinary changes. है ना? This is what we have to teach, right? I think it is going a little longer, I know, but हम जल्दी करेंगे. अच्छा, आप देखिए, ये बहुत important एक चीज है. This is for us. This is not for children. We are going to do a pencil story. Challenges sharpen us like a pencil. As teachers, I know that this is something which is a challenge for us, isn't it? हमारे लिए चैलेंजिंग हो सकता है. We are all born with potentials. We have potentials. But then, when we go through these hardships, अब ये जो प्रॉब्लम आ गई भैया, हर चीज को कैसे ही आप चेंज करोगे स्टोरी के अंदर? So that is a challenge that is happening, and it is sharpening you. And the pencil, you always remember, will leave a mark behind. आप इरेज करोगे ना, तभी भी it will leave a mark behind. And we have to become a pencil in a child's life. Every challenge in life has a purpose. It shapes you into something. It shapes you into a better person, right? So keep on doing good work and marking. Keep on leaving the marks. Now, फटाफट एक चीज करेंगे. स्टोरी टेलिंग का हम एक सेटिंग देख लेंगे. जनरली हम स्केलेटन कैसे बनाते हैं, कैसे किसी चीज को स्टोरी टेलिंग में बदल सकते हैं. आप ध्यान रखेंगे सेटिंग्स क्या है चैप्टर की, कैरेक्टर किसको आप बना सकते हो, what can be cited as a problem, उसके साथ क्या इवेंट्स हो सकते हैं, और उसका क्या सोल्यूशन निकलेगा. यू कैन टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ इट. सेटिंग, कैरेक्टर, प्रॉब्लम, इवेंट्स एंड रेजोल्यूशंस. एंड अगर आप इसके ऊपर चलोगे, इफ यू ब्रेक एनी लेसन इनटू ऑल दीज, you can create a story of anything that you are teaching to a child, right? We'll move ahead. I think we are going, a little farther than time. So curriculum formula क्या रहेगा? वही जो मैंने आपसे कहा, WHs. Who wants what is the problem, what is the journey, and what is the transformation. You can change, you can put, this is a basic formula, you can put anything and everything on earth into this formula to create a story. Right? तो ये एक स्टोरी क्रिएशन का फॉर्मूला है। ये 2 फॉर्मूलाज हैं जो मैंने आपको बताया, सेटिंग, कैरेक्टर, प्रॉब्लम, इवेंट्स एंड रेजोल्यूशन। इंग्लिश टीचर्स बहुत अच्छे से समझ रहे होंगे। दूसरी चीज है, जब आप इसका करिकुलम में आप यूज करने लगोगे, कोई चैप्टर चेंज करोगे, तो यू विल कीप इन माइंड हु wants what is the problem, what is the journey to the solution, and what transformation happens, kya change aata hai uske baad, and this will create a story for you. So this is an activity. We have done a lot of activity. हमने बहुत सारी बात कर ली है. I wanted you all to create one story on this formula of any of the choices, any of the chapters, or any of the lessons that you want to do. I'll give you 4 minutes to do it. Is that okay, Twinkle ji?
Yeah, it's perfectly fine.
Yeah. Now I want you all to talk because I have been talking a lot. It is here displayed. I want you all to just go through it and then create a story, any lesson that you have taught, and then tell me how would you actually create a story with this formula. By the time I'll just check what is there in the chat box. Yeah. Are you all doing it? कोई हाँ ना कुछ नहीं आ रही.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can I
Please
start?
go ahead. Yes, please, if you have
Yes,
done it.
please.
Ma'am, if I'm taking a chapter, our helpers, I think first UKG or second. So
Yeah.
in that we can create 4 characters, right?
Hmm.
One is doctor, one is the sweeper, one is the we can take doctor, sweeper, policeman, and one is the porter, right?
Yeah.
The 4 characters are together. They're standing in a big crowd.
Hmm.
Then a story arises. Then 4 of them came together at a place. Then start
Yeah.
talking to each other as a storytelling. Ask each other. With the story, I can name those doctor, that policeman.
So you have created characters. Wonderful. Now what wants what?
Yeah.
Let's go ahead. Yeah.
Now, what does the character wants or need, right? How they will introduce themselves as a story, how to tell about them. I think we go for that.
Yeah.
What is the need of that particular creation?
Yeah.
Then after that, the challenge will come, that how to express in the story about them. How to tell that our doctor is for medicines or caring sick people. Then the other one is like the policeman protects the people. Then that thing has to be created in the story. The obstacle is mainly this, that how to express it out.
Yeah.
Then next is the journey from that problem to achieving that particular objective.
Solution. Now
that
see,
through the story,
I would just I would just interrupt you here. The whole purpose of this lesson is to make children understand the dignity of labor.
Yeah.
This is what I feel. So, there can be a problem.
That how important these helpers are in life, and what values can we give to those particular characters.
Yeah.
Like
And
for the
even
doctor, it is a very designated post. But for a sweeper, it is not. But they should respect that particular, because without them, their life is not so good. We have to tell that importance to the story.
Yeah.
That is the main thing. Because the doctor
That is
is a
what-
dignified post, no doubt. Policeman.
Yes.
But that particular sweeper or that peon, whatever 4th class employees also, if we are taking, a Mali also, a
He's
gardener
also
also,
equally
they play a very
important.
important role.
Yeah. And
that is the main
that's
thing.
how you're going to
And
create a
this gives the
story around it.
transformation.
And yes, the problem is that not every labor is given the same dignity. And this is the problem. And
Yeah.
then you can create a storyline ahead of it that there's a problem, the sweepers have stopped coming, there's kachra all over, and you see the
Yeah, and that is, I think, the last point which you have
flies.
mentioned,
Yeah.
transformation. That change
And then
of
there's
the mentality.
transformation, and yes, the change of mentality in the child is very
Yeah,
important. That
Ma'am,
he understands
yeah.
the dignity of labor. Yeah, please.
ma'am,
Yeah,
another
that's
story is
everything.
who story is story of two friends
Ji.
who Asha and Vihan and
Ji.
wants what they want to build a tower block.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, ma'am. Problem
Ji.
is the blocks are heavy and by one they keep falling. And journey. Fourth point is the journey. They think, plan, help each other, and work together. Right?
Yeah.
And fifth is a transformation, and they build a tall, strong tower together and feel proud and happy. And
Wonderful.
moral of the story is, ma'am, 1 plus 1 equal 2. It's
Equals
mean
to
2 is better than 1.
2 is better than 1. Even I just, the idea just stuck to my mind. You can even teach physics with this concept that you have started. आप liver pulley और force
Yes, ma'am.
और कितना ये सब भी इस आपके ये basic stories के साथ आप कर सकते हो, isn't it? So the point
Yes,
is that
ma'am.
how creative your mind is and how you're actually going to go ahead. Now see
Yes,
that two
ma'am.
teachers. One knowledge says that I share one teacher says that I share information. Same subject teachers. The other one says that I build connection. Who do you think will the children relate more with? In दोनों teachers में से किसके साथ
connection.
relate?
With connection.
The one who
In
builds
their
connection.
yeah,
Yes.
yes. ma'am.
Navita ma'am, please go ahead, speak. Navita ma'am, you have something to say?
Navita ji, you have raised your hands. You want to say something, add something over here? No.
Oh, no. Okay. Okay. Shivangi ma'am, I have just gone through your Bholu and Charuka story. It's really nice. It's really nice. So the
Hello?
point is that yes, Anji.
Haji ma'am, Navita here.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am. Yes,
Navita
ma'am.
ji.
You go.
Sorry ma'am, sorry for the interruption. मैम मैं एक छोटी सी स्टोरी अभी मैंने रिसेंट क्लास में इंट्रोड्यूस करी थी ऑन द नंबर्स एंड आई एम बेसिकली a nursery teacher from Ludhiana. Numbers, colors, and the day. It was
Yeah, ma'am.
hungry
Please go ahead.
caterpillar and hungry caterpillar. It was Monday.
जी.
Okay, caterpillar को बहुत भूख लगी. He is very hungry, and then introduce the fruits. कि Monday को मैंने ये खाया. Then I am still hungry. And today is Tuesday, and I eat 2 apples. Role play, maybe a student or maybe a teacher. But it was a wonderful show with the help of puppets and with the help of fruits and with the help of role play. And still the day, मेरे बच्चे आज भी ये बोलते हैं मैम if you want to introduce the next lesson हमें story के साथ ही करवाओ. Basically,
that is the point.
Yes, ma'am. I am having a 35-year experience of KG teacher, and I am a storyteller. Or with puppets, I have a still modulation of voices. I can
yes,
do the
I was coming
modulation.
to it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
I love
Abhi tak
story.
it was just going very, it was very mechanical that I have taught you all today, Abhi tak. I am just coming to the voice modulation also, but I think I've exceeded a lot of time.
Yeah, no,
So storytelling.
Basically,
So
ma'am, basically examples and the life skill examples are totally different from storyteller. If you want to give introduction of anything, letter A, this is mama and this is papa, बच्चा baby गिर ना जाए, एक तरफ से मम्मा ने पकड़ लिया, एक तरफ से पापा ने, ये जो sleeping line है वो baby है.
Yeah.
Yes,
so it's just a
Yes.
small thing, but the child will relate.
Yes,
right?
yes, the
Like,
child will. So this is basically
child
story. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, this is the storytelling.
Yeah. So this is what I'm saying. That storytelling is a performance. Remember.
ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
delivery matters.
Yes,
as
ma'am.
much as the
Communication.
content.
Very true, ma'am. Very true.
The
There are a
delivery
lot
will
of
matter
things.
as much as the content. There can be a lot of content in there. But
Yes, ma'am.
the way you're actually engaging with the children, जैसे
That
आप
is
connect
storytelling.
कर रहे हो, the way you're inspiring, that also matters.
मैम
है ना?
बेसिकली
कई
जो
दफे-
आपने आपने जो, सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट यू, जो आपने क्वेश्चन दिया था पहले कि काइंडली फिल दिस क्वेश्चन बिफोर द जूम मीटिंग, जो बहुत
जी जी
सुंदर था, जो आपने स्टोरी टेलिंग में बताया, मैंने वो बैठ के
जी
1
जी
घंटे में सॉल्व किया। आई थिंक वो सारा कुछ कवर हो गया था जो आप बताना चाहते थे। अगर मैंने वो
थैंक
मैंने
यू
वो सारा टाइप किया हुआ है, और उसके आंसर्स
जी
बिल्कुल आपकी मटेरियल के साथ मैच करते हैं, और अगर उसको थॉरोली स्टडी करके और वो फॉलो किया जाए, आई थिंक यू आर अ बेस्ट स्पीकर।
so much. Thank you so much. That's the
यस,
best compliment that I've ever got.
नहीं,
But
यू,
thank you so much for that.
थैंक यू सो मच,
So
थैंक यू सो मच। ओके मैम।
thank you. So let's move on. So storytelling is performance. I told you, engage. आप कैसे कर रहे हो? आप connect कैसे कर रहे हो? How you're inspiring people matters, right? So great stories don't just inform minds. They move hearts and create impact. जैसे अभी मैम ने आपको बताया है ना? So अभी जो मैम ने एक story बताई, it just came to my mind कि आप इससे पूरा कैटरपिलर से बटरफ्लाई तक बना सकते हो, और आप यू कैन टीच द लाइफ स्किल्स, लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ अ बटरफ्लाई, right? So that is also one way of teaching. Now see, I told you it is the manner in which you talk, the way you actually perform in the class. So एक आपके पास slide है, King's Messenger, same message, different impact. Messenger 1 says the facts only. The king has reduced taxes by 10%. It is informative, but will be forgotten soon and will have a limited impact. But if the messenger says, the king has heard your needs and chosen to lighten your loads, taxes are reduced by 10%. Engaging है, लंबा याद रहेगा, क्योंकि इसमें एक एम्पथी वाली टच आ गया कि किंग जो है वो आपके साथ एम्पथाइज कर रहा है, उसको आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स उन्होंने सुनी है, and it will create a stronger impact. So the way you talk, the way you actually deliver your story also matters a lot. It's not just what you say, it's about how you say it. How engaging is it? How much do you give, I mean, your person, your other listeners, the chance to speak their mind, and how much you listen. That is also very important. So the pauses also will matter. Your voice will matter. Your pitch, tempo, emotions will matter. Emotions आप feel करके story सुना रहे हो तो भाई अगले को भी will be able to relate with it. Your pitch also matters. Sometimes it has to be high and sometimes it has to be low. That is to be kept in mind. Your tempo will matter. Speed जो है ना आपकी, वो बहुत matter करेगी. ये नहीं कि आप आए, कहानी सुनानी है, आपने बड़ा 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 एक कहानी सुना दी, नहीं हो सकता है. The children or anybody will only remember you if your pitch, emotion, tempos, and your pauses, your silence is also very powerful. खाली कहानी सुनानी नहीं है, सोचने का समय भी देना है. So that is also very important. So a great story is not just heard, it is felt. So always remember that. And I told you, the power of silence. Create space, because that is the thing which is going to create impact. सारा टाइम आपने नहीं बोलना है. Let them think. Let them, create that space so that वो कुछ आपसे बात करके पूछ सके. That is also very important. So लेकिन टीचर का प्रेजेंस जो है उससे क्या आता है? वार्मथ आती है, कॉन्फिडेंस आता है, ऑथेंटिसिटी आती है, enthusiasm आता है. ये सब कहाँ से आता है? It is coming from the teacher, the kind you are. Yes, you are the light. You're the torch bearer for the child. आप कुछ भी करो, लेकिन अगर उसमें warmth नहीं है, confidence नहीं है, authenticity नहीं है, enthusiasm नहीं है, they'll not relate with you. Your presence is the greatest teaching tool. Always remember, how the child feels in your presence matters. ठीक है? तो that is the most important thing. अब ये तो आप सबने देखा है, ये बचपन में सबने ये स्टोरी सुनी है. सुनी है हमने?
Yes.
याद आई है सबको? हाँ, एक ही हाथी है, आप उसको देख रहे हो, सब अलग अलग तरीके से
different perspective of different peoples.
Different perspectives of different people. एक बंदा कह रहा है स्पीयर है, एक बंदा कह रहा है वॉल है, एक बंदा कह रहा है जी पिलर है, एक बंदा कह रहा है पंखा है, एक बंदा कह रहा है पेड़ है, एक बंदा कह रहा है रोप है, पर चीज एक ही है ना? सो it is very important for us as teachers to understand the perspective of the children. हर बच्चा हर चीज को अलग तरीके से रिलेट कर सकता है ना? तो आप उसको झिड़क मत दो कि नहीं ये ऐसे नहीं है, अंडरस्टैंड करिए उसका पर्सपेक्टिव एंड देन कम टू अ कंक्लूजन. सो अंडरस्टैंडिंग ग्रोज व्हेन वी सी बियॉन्ड आवर ओन व्यूज. एज अ टीचर हम माइंड सेट करके चले गए. जैसे मेरा भतीजा है, माय सिस्टर्स son when he was young, it was COVID time and वो यहाँ पर थे. So the teacher was teaching him, telling कि the sky is blue, right? He was sitting here यहाँ खिड़की के पास, and that day somehow the sky was crimson and he told me कि मासी you are a teacher, मेरी टीचर को, आप बड़े टीचर हो, आप टीचर को क्यों नहीं सिखाते हो कि स्काई का कलर पिंक है? Now see, the child is not wrong, but the child is observant, है ना? लेकिन हम तो जनरली यही आंसर लेंगे जी भाई कि द स्काई इज ब्लू, है ना? क्योंकि हम बच्चे को रिफ्रैक्शन नहीं समझा सकते एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, बट देन विद अ स्टोरी वी कैन, है ना? जब हम रेनबोज पढ़ाते हैं. I'll come to the chats at the end now because we have to finish it off. We are going too ahead. Now see, very important, I told you. अब हमने अभी तक जो बात की वो अर्ली ग्रेड्स की बात की है, लेकिन जब बात करते हैं सीनियर ग्रेड्स में, जैसे अभी बात हुई थी, मैंने आपको इकोनॉमिक्स बता दिया, हिस्ट्री बता दिया, हम कर सकते हैं. बट द पॉइंट हियर यू हैव टू रिमेंबर इज दैट in the lower grades we can build stories, tell stories, show them pictures, to build their imagination, vocabulary, emotional connection create करने के लिए. लेकिन जब आप अपर ग्रेड्स में जाते हो, है ना, जब आपने कहा कि सिर्फ बच्चा जो है आपसे वर्कशीट्स मांगता है, कभी आपके बच्चे ने प्रोजेक्ट बेस्ड लर्निंग अगर आप करवा के देखो तो बच्चा विल बी मोर इंटरेस्टेड बिकॉज यू विल हैव अ प्रॉब्लम टू सॉल्व. MUNs, you see the children are very much interested. You see moot courts, the children are very much interested. So what is it? That is also a real world understanding and collaboration, and it is also a form of storytelling, but in a different manner. So different mediums, same purpose, deeper learning for every learner, है ना? So that is also something which is to be kept in mind. Now see, I told you कि हम ये कॉन्सेप्ट जो है वो धीरे 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 बढ़ा सकते हैं. कोई एक कॉन्सेप्ट नर्सरी में आपने बच्चे को पानी के साथ खेलने दिया, उसी प्राइमरी में आपने बच्चे को डेली यूज वाटर का सिखाया, मिडल्स में आपने उसको आके वाटर साइकिल और कंजर्वेशन सिखाया, सेकेंडरी में आपने उसको वाटर क्वालिटी, पोल्यूशन और इम्पैक्ट बताया, सीनियर सेकेंडरी में आप वाटर मैनेजमेंट और सॉल्यूशंस फॉर द फ्यूचर सिखा रहे हो, और बियॉन्ड द स्कूल आप जब जाते हो देन यू कैन टॉक अबाउट वाटर स्टूवर्डशिप और लीडरशिप फॉर चेंज. क्या चेंजेस ला सकता है बच्चा, है ना? आप एक्टिविटीज को ही ऐसे क्रिएट कर सकते हो. जैसे अभी हमने किया, आप मेरे स्कूल में वी डिड कार्बन क्रेडिट्स. नाउ मोस्ट ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन वुड नॉट अवेयर ऑफ व्हाट कार्बन क्रेडिट्स आर, बट उनको पोल्यूशन पता है, isn't it? So the point is that when you are going ahead, the concept becomes deeper and it creates stronger understanding. I hope this slide is also clear to you. Now AI, please AI से मत डरिए, right? हम डरते हैं. Don't. I know most of you are using it. So आप जो चैप्टर आपको पढ़ाना है आप उस पे डालिए, किसी भी चैट बॉट पे या जो भी आप AI यूज कर रहे हो उसको कहिए, वो it will create a story for you to execute. It will also help you create activities and yes, the assessments. Now assessments हम change कर सकते हैं धीरे धीरे. देखो assessment का makeover कर सकते हैं. Science में it's not necessary that you tell the child to write photosynthesis. Rather than you can be a little creative in your assessments and you can say you are a leaf, describe your day. Think of a leaf, what do you see, feel and do. Plan a story, morning, afternoon, evening, night. है ना? Write your story, use words, sentences and details. Share and reflect. तो अब ये आप जो एक लॉन्ग आंसर मांग रहे हो बच्चे से लिख के, व्हाट इज फोटोसिंथेसिस, एक्सप्लेन, आप तरीका चेंज कर सकते हो, right? So that is for the formative assessments. Even you can go ahead with a summative assessment. Let's talk about reflection. As teachers, अभी हमने ये पूरा complete किया है. आप मुझे बताओ, कल से आप क्या लेके जाओगे अपने क्लासरूम में? What are you reflecting today for tomorrow? चलिए, अब आपकी बारी है, मेरी बारी खत्म हो गई बोलने की. आप बताओ. What are you going to take ahead in your classrooms tomorrow, from tomorrow?
Every child can have a different perspective, and we have to understand that perspective.
Yes, you have to understand. There's somebody who has written story. So somebody relates to it and says that he or she will take stories. So become a person. जरूरी नहीं है कि हम सबको change कर लें. ये भी एक story है. I wanted to end it with it. One day, a man was actually walking by, and he saw a boy, throwing starfishes back to the water. So
Yes.
the person says that यहाँ तो बहुत सारी हैं.
How does it affect them? How does it affect them?
How
Yes,
does it
yes.
affect them? He says it affects the one I am throwing.
The single one which I am throwing in back to the water.
The single one which I'm throwing back to the water, it affects it.
Yes.
So yes, keep in mind, you may not change every child, but you can change one, and even one child matters. It makes a difference.
Definitely.
So notice,
definitely.
act, restore, and inspire. So ma'am, I am done. I hope people have liked it, and
Yes, yes,
thank you so much.
definitely. For a storytelling, we have to be innovative and creative. We don't need a script for that.
You
Just
don't need
think
a
over
script
it
for that.
and just do it.
Yeah, that's the point.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you. Thank
Any
you very
questions
much.
from
all of you.
anyone? वैसे तो we
Any
have discussed all the
questions?
points.
Anything? Anything? I will, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Shall I stop sharing?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. And let's. Anything else? Anybody has any questions or want to add on something?
Any suggestions or any experiences you want
Any
to share with us?
suggestions?
Actually,
Yes,
it was
Ruchita.
really
ma'am,
very
please.
interactive, ma'am. And very frankly, my teachers are also here, and I'm really happy to meet you. And no doubt it was very informative, and definitely we're going to incorporate it in our wing.
Yeah, thank you so much for that. Thank you so much.
Thank you
Anybody
everyone for
else
joining
has-
us, and thank you for your We will be sharing the feedback form and certificates in the group. Yeah, Varshaji, please go ahead. Yes.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. I'll just leave from here because you know that I'm into an emergency. So
Yeah, yeah,
I'll
please.
I'll just
Thank
leave.
you everyone for
so much.
joining
Thank
us.
you everybody. Thank
Yeah.
you. You can anything you can connect on LinkedIn. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Please see the feedback. Please fill up the feedback form,
Yeah.
and we'll be sharing creative certificates. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Thank you,
you.
Varshaji.
Bye. Bye.